So I'm holding the camera, John, because the GoPro stand is broken. But you can fix it?
I can fix it.
All right, what's going on?
Basically, they use these cheap old rivets, I would call them. And then I'm going to take my pliers, pull them out, and I'm going to put nuts and bolts to redo these again. As you can see, it just broke right off. So
Unbelievable.
yeah, you can't make it up how cheap things are now.
Okay.
And even this one here needs to be changed. So I got two of them I got to really do. So.
All right. And all you have to do is pull that broken one out.
Yeah, I have to pull this out, which is going to be, pretty much. See, it's repairable as long as this doesn't break off. And that doesn't break off. So you just straighten that again. And then now I got to get this out. I might have to use like a little drill bit too to drill
to get it out.
Yeah. But I'll get it out. Actually, I'm going to do a drill bit so I don't break this thing.
Okay.
Play it safe. And I got to do this one here too. See?
Okay. Well, when you're ready, I'll come back and...
Yeah. Oh, that one pulled out. See?
Yeah.
Okay, we got that one to pull out. Maybe we can get the other one to pull out too. My handy dandy Leatherman.
All right.
I fixed with this tool that's on the rail. I'll try the same thing.
Okay. Let's zero in.
So pretty much. And this one might not be as lucky. Yeah. Well, maybe. Try it again.
Can I get my little finger in there and help give it a push?
Let's see. If I go like this. A little bit of patience. This one might be safer just to do the drill. I'm going to do this drill because I don't want to break this tab here. If I break that tab, then it's not going to be repairable.
Okay.
All right, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that head off and it should slide right through. So I'm going to hold it and just put the drill on it. Bam.
There it is.
Off it goes.
Okay.
And now I'm going to look at nuts and bolts
That fit.
that will fit in this hole. I'm going to go to Lowe's. Lowe's and Ace. Lowe's or Ace has a very good selection. So the first piece that broke off, put that in here. We'll just do a nut and bolt. And go across. Piece through. And we put a nut there.
What size did you buy?
Oh God, we'll look at that in a minute. Because I got. Alright, so that's one fixed. I'm gonna tighten that further too. But we take the next one.
And I'm gonna flip it so people can see what you're doing.
And basically, it's a small nut and nut and bolt.
Okay.
It's gonna replace that pin that they use, the cheapo pin. And then you just. It's very small to deal with, so it's not simple, but. Let's see. Basically, run it right through. See, boom. And that one's good. See?
Nice.
So we put a washer. I'm gonna cut that one too because it's so long. Don't need to be that long.
Why do you use a washer before you put the...
I did that because the nut's a little on the small side. I don't want it to pull through or...
Oh, okay.
It's not really totally necessary, but... And then that's it. She's ready to go now. She's back to normal.
Yay! Thank you for fixing it.